Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing. Now today we're going to be comparing some $300 headphones side by side next to some $20 headphones. Now these headphones to my left are the wireless Beats Solo 3s. Now these $20 headphones to my right are the Sound InTone CX05s. Now unlike these $300 headphones, these do not have the wireless option. They only use the headphone jack, so you gotta get that adapter. But with that said, let's crack these boxes open. I'll do the $20 headphones first. Now also I did make a full video about these headphones, so if you want to go check that out, I'll leave it down in the description below or right up there. Okay, so here we got the headphones themselves. And then here we have a braided cable. These are foldable, so it'll fit in your suitcase or backpack or whatever a little bit better. Okay, so now for the part of the video that you've been waiting for. So before we crack this open, let's just look around the box a little bit and see what it says and stuff like that. Now these do come in a ton of different colors. I believe these come in like red and blue and white and just a lot of colors like that. Now I got the asphalt gray. So some of the features that this has is that it's of course wireless. It'll give you all the way up to 40 hours of listening time. But also something about the battery, which is really nice, is that it's got fast charging. So with only about 5 minutes or so of charging, will give you up to 3 hours of listening time, which is really awesome. It's got a battery fuel gauge, so if you don't have your phone with you and you just have these headphones, then all you have to do is just press the button. It'll show you roughly how much battery the headphones have. Now this does have a built-in wireless mic, so you can answer calls with it and talk to people and just a ton of cool stuff like that. Okay, so super nice packaging here. We have the Beats logo embroidered into the box right here, which is showing some quality there. Change the way you hear sound. Oh gosh, Jimbo, you gotta smell this. This has got that brand new factory smell. Oh, it smells so good. Now it does come in its own little carrying case, so if you happen to be traveling, all you have to do is put your headphones in here and then just throw it into your backpack. Okay, so here we have a little information packet. And yes, it does have Beats stickers. And then they have a ton of warranty and stuff like that. And then you also do get a carabiner clip to attach to your backpack. Okay, here is the cable you will use to plug into your phone, but of course, you can use these wireless as well. And then here we have the charging cable. Okay, so here we got the headphones themselves, which just holding them, you can tell these are really high quality. Oh, Jimbo's favorite part. You do have a cushion on the top, so it'll add a little bit more comfort. You've also got some padding on the ear cups, which I do believe that is leather. Okay, so that's going to be your volume up and down control, and then there's no buttons on this side. So it is also adjustable for certain head sizes. Jimbo, what do you say we try this out? Okay, I guess I'll just start with these Sound InTones. As of right now, I think they sound great. I think that anybody that buys these will be satisfied. And yes, there are better sounding headphones on the market right now, but these do sound very good. You do have to mess with the cable though, which is not the best. Beats. You got the nice little Beats Solo 3 connection thing. These, I will say, these are more comfortable than the Sound InTones. I must say that these Beats do sound better than the Sound InTone headphones, but these aren't far off. There are some differences, like the Beats do have more bass than these do. These are a little bit lacking compared to these, but also these are a little bit less clear. Like these are really crisp and clear compared to these Sound InTones. And not to say that these are bad, but these just do sound better in that area. These are both made out of very premium materials. I would say that these are both very nice headphones and that you wouldn't be disappointed with either one. Now the main difference between these headphones is not the sound quality or the materials used or the way it looks or anything. It's just the fact that these are Beats and these are not. Whereas if you wear these Beats to like a mall or airport or something, people automatically know, yes, those are Beats. Whereas if you wear these, they don't even notice, and if they do, they're like, what are those? What are those? that's just a fact. Now these Beats are not cheap. These are around $300, which is really expensive, whereas these sound in-tone headphones are only about $20 or so. So my final recommendation is to just go for the sound in-tone headphones, because even though they don't sound as good and they may not be as comfortable or whatever, they get the job done, and they still are really comfortable. They sound really great compared to other headphones, and they're not expensive at all. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already, and I'll see you next one. Peace out.